Hello. I'm not really prepared to talk, or not talk, but make a video right now. I'm just kind of bored. No one's texting me. I'm just kidding. Oh, my hair. I like my hair. Oh. Oh, made my hair look bad. Oh well. I look kind of crazy. Do I look like... Oh well. Well, we're in my room. And I'm not in Mexico yet. Duh. I'm supposed to go around June 6th. Hopefully. I look... Do I not look cartoonish? I feel like I look cartoonish. I guess it's just me. But... Oh, yeah. I drove on the main road today. That... It was kind of scary. Okay, a lot scary. I've never drove on the main road before, but it was pretty cool. Except for when the semis wanted to get close to me. That kind of scared me. Let's see. Yeah, I am pretty boring. I can tell you that. Well, if I had something to talk about, then probably not as much. Let's talk about this hat. It was an art project that my friend made. It is made out of cardboard and duct tape, and I really liked it. So after the teacher graded our hats, I made a hat as well, but it didn't turn out good. After the teacher graded hers, she gave it to me. I was so happy for that. Any other wonders? Oh, I like reading. Oh, book 2. I've never... Hold on, let me find book 1. Maybe some of you guys have read this series. Book 5. Book 1. I've never read it, and these were the books that were supposed to keep me company to the trip to Mexico. But since I'm probably going to be there for like 2-3 weeks now, which is not a long time, but long enough to get me a dress for my quinceañera. For those of you who don't know what a quinceañera is, which is weird because it's not uncommon, but it's like a sweet 16, only for Mexicans, that's turning 15. Yes, I am 14. I don't look 14. I get that's a lot. But I'm turning 15. And, well, I guess I'm kind of weird. I'm more of a bookworm. I like drawing, too. I don't want to tear down one of my drawings, because then it's going to be hard to put it back up. I also like writing. I wrote a few books. And I wrote a... Oh god, I got the hiccups. Well, I'm gonna stop the video because I keep hiccuping. But I'll try doing more that's less boring, okay? And try not to make my look all cartoonish.